Oh no, wait, I'm videoing. Ooh.
Man, I'm gonna do a semi sangria, guys.
Beautiful.
Do this one. I put pomegranate juice in the beans, if y'all were wondering. That's why they look so sexy. Because I put pomegranate juice in them.
That tastes really good. I taste a little bit.
Gordon Ramsay, who?
We don't know him. We don't know him.
Julia Child. I don't know this person. I don't know this person. Cannelloni stuffed with green lentils soaked in red wine and walnuts soaked in red wine on the side with garlic sprinkled with curcuma and cornmeal. The creamy penne with walnuts and corn with a topping of crusted coconut flour and cornmeal. So here is the rice, coconut patties. This is boiled rice with egg, coconut flour, and lentils. So I'm just going to take this, put it here, and this. Go. And then take a little smetana. A little smetana. And then this is corn, butter, garlic, and tomatoes. And I didn't cook the tomatoes. I just like sauteed the corn and turned the fire off and then added the tomatoes. And the garlic I put at all stages because, and so you still get the nutrients. You don't cook out the nutrients in the tomatoes. And now I'm just going to put this on top. Voila! Damn near vegan open burgers, rice with coconut flour and lentils, and kind of like a salsa on top with smetana.
Looks so delicious.
Okay, here you go, mamas.